We are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to show how you can reset privacy password in Oppo. So in order to change the privacy password that serves as the protection measure for hidden apps or hidden photos, you will need to launch settings, then go for the privacy category. In here, make sure to open the privacy section, not permissions, then tap at the hide apps, enter the current privacy password that you have, then tap at this gear icon to your top right, go for privacy password, enter the privacy password once again. In here, opt for change password. In here, enter the old password once again, the third time already, and then set up a new one. You can even change the password type. So let's say I'll change the password to pattern, then input the pattern you would like to use or any other password, whatever is that, and well, you've successfully modified or reset the privacy password. It's by resetting it, you mean disabling. You will need to go to privacy password section once again and tap at the turn off password option. Then confirm the action by inputting the current privacy password you have, and that will be it. The privacy password was successfully gotten rid of. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.